the air that I breathe. Yes, and you are all that I need. You are the sun, a gift of light. You are the moon, my comfort at night. You are the water that keeps me alive. You are the ground on which I stand. Yes, you are. Wherever you go, I follow you there. Whatever you do, I'll be there for you. And I will be forever true, true to you. And I give it all. I give you my life. I give you my soul.
Rothenburg ob der Tauber means red fortress over the Tauber, which is the river that runs through the town. It's one of only 3 towns in Germany that has still got its city walls or its town walls completely intact. Fun facts, we're in the Franconian area of Bavaria. The actual town itself was the inspiration for the town used in the 1940s Pinocchio film. It was also the town used as Bulgaria for Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, not easy to say. And also parts of Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows were filmed here. Unfortunately, the edit for this village never made the final cut.
Like sunshine and moonlight, like warm and bright, like pillows.
This is a really cool place. It's not a bad way to enter the town.
Like an accident once meant.
Now I'm presuming that this was probably a moat, because looking at the size of the walls around it, and there is some water down there, this would have been quite a fortified town or village a few hundred years ago. It's literally like walking, oh, the echo under the bridge, it's literally like walking on a film set.
But when we are apart, I bleed and I starve, and I miss your sweet, sweet touch. Is it when you are away, I keep wishing that you stay. I can't live without you by my side. We're like pillows and pavement, we're like saved and spent. You're like $10,000, I'm like nickels and cents. You're like fresh spring water on a hot summer's day. You're like a beautiful sundown when daylight fades.
I can imagine in the height of summer when everybody's doing or driving the romantic road, it'll be quite busy. But just now, it's really quiet. For such a small town, there's actually 3 motorhome parking areas. Now, we use the app Camper Contact quite a lot to find places to stay, and we've parked in the P2 parking area. It is €12 a night. That's for 24 hours. It's on an electric meter, but all your other services are free. Having said that, no, water is €1. But there are some public toilets there as well. And you literally come out of the parking area, cross the road, and you're in the old town straight away. A couple of supermarkets here at the top of the town, Aldi, Lidl, and all the other sort of restaurants and bars that you would imagine. This place is just stunning. It's one of these places you go to where you have to look up, look down, look round, and then just check where you've just walked from to make sure that you've not missed anything. Because there's a different view, a different coloured house, and something different everywhere you look. Christmas shop. Look at this. This is so traditional. This is awesome. I love the clocks. Martin's made a purchase. He's gone all Bavarian on me.
It's called a Bavarian man.
Yes, it looks really cool, that. It really suits you.
It's a very comfortable house, actually.
It looks great.
Yeah. Makes a change to the baseball caps.
It does. Yeah, very stylish. Well, it's not quite chitty chitty bang bang there, but it's not far off. This building's the old town hall. Still got the crests on it. And as you come down, you can see it's been here since 1250. I love Christmas and the run up to Christmas. And here we've got another Christmas shop. And there's even a German Christmas museum. But this car, wow, this is just pretty wicked. I absolutely love this. All the Christmas presents on the top. Can you imagine what this place is like with a little bit of snow on the ground? All the lights on the run up to Christmas.
Yeah, this is like so not my thing. Wow. Mira, para que me acuerde la puerta, niña. La tele, sí. Para que me acuerde. Qué bonita. Precioso. La fábrica. La tele.
I think it's safe to say this is the best Christmas shop I've ever been in. Fancy any baubles? They've got them in every colour, every shape. Here we go. We even got some with the Union Jack on. Should have got that for the coronation.
These wine bottles are peculiar to this area. They're called the box bottle. And a lot of this is, like that one there, is Würzburger Stein. Quite a few years ago now, we stayed in Würzburg on a vineyard and got fairly well introduced to the box bottle, in fairness. Yeah, this is a local wine shop. Looks very impressive in there, in fairness. So for old time's sake, H has gone to go and buy a box bottle. I suspect we'll end up with a rosé, but that's what happens when I let her pick the wine. You alright, Pops? You alright, baby? It won't be long. She's only going to buy wine. She won't be long. Box bottle in hand?
Box bottle in hand. A Rothenburg label on it, so it should be good.
Absolutely. Well, happy days.
Happy days.
So armed with our box bottle and other supplies, we set off the road to what turned out to be probably One of the best Stellplatzes we've ever been on. It was a real treat, and we'll show you that in the next video. Martin out.
Helen out.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin, 'cause I was